Hello, this is Robert, owner of Native Sun Window Tinting. Today we are on location in Bonita, right on 41 at the #1 New York Nail and Spa. We're going to be doing their full storefront in a medium dark film. Basically the problem that they're having is too much heat coming in and too much light during different times of the day, and it's bothering any of the customers that are waiting and just making it too hot inside their business. The film that they picked will still give people the ability to see through whenever they're right up near the door, just slightly be able to see through, but it'll definitely cut down on a lot of the heat, about 60% of the heat and 99.9% of the UV rejection on the inside. Alright, this is a shot from the inside of the nail salon looking out to the parking lot area. This just gives you the ability to see what they're dealing with as far as the light and the heat that's coming into the property. Alright, we're about a quarter of the way finished with the nail salon job. I just want to take a quick video and show you the difference. With this film, it's a dark colored film. It doesn't have any mirror or silver reflective appearance to it. And this would be considered between a 15 and a 20% grade of darkness. So it's blocking out 80% of the light and still allowing in about 20% of the light. So it's not, it's not super dark, not super restrictive. This doesn't have any tint on it. This has the tint on it. We have darker films in this, and we also have lighter films if you have something that you need done at your particular location. Alright, we've now completed the install at the #1 New York Nails and Spa here in Bonita. The customer's very happy with the turnout. They opted not to do their front two doors, so that way customers would be able to see all the way in, so we didn't do any film on here. But the remaining of the windows was tinted in our 20% film, which once again blocks about 60% of the heat, allows in 20% of the light, and provides 99.9% UV rejection. If you have something that you would like done at your business or home, we do offer free estimates and are available 6 days a week. Please feel free to give us a call at 239-200-2679. Thank you.